Hi, this is Palmer coming to you with another weekly forecast from OptionsSpreadTrades.com for February 23rd, 2009. This is a weekly chart of the S&P. As you can see here, we still have the sell signal from the 14th of January, which means the trend is down. We're currently at 769. We did predict a bearish week for this week, and that is exactly what we got. We had some pretty big down moves. This is the daily chart for the S&P. As you can see here, we got a sell signal on the 10th of February at 8:36, and we are currently trading at 769. We are getting into sort of the oversold area. Here you can see this is the stochastics, which is starting to turn up. So that could mean a couple of things. We're in oversold territory, which means we could get a bounce or just sideways moving markets. However, we are also do have, oops, the ADX isn't showing right now, but the ADX is at around 27, which means we do have a fairly strong trend. So what this means is that we could get a bounce from being oversold or move sideways for a bit and then drop, or we could just continue to drop. Either way, we do not want to be buyers in this market yet. The trend is down. Furthermore, supporting this view, the commercials are still net short. Commercials have not really changed their position this week much. Last week we did see a little bit of buying. This weekend, or I'm sorry, this week we didn't see any buying. So the commercials are net short, so we still do want to be short. If the markets do breach this is the November lows back here. The November low was around 737 on the S&P. We're quickly approaching that low. If we're either going to hit it and bounce, or if we hit it and we break through, the likelihood that we are going to go further is pretty good. So we want to watch that 737 area pretty carefully, pretty closely, because that is resistance. Okay. Again, whatever happens, we do not want to be buyers in this market, at least not for the time being. Okay. Seasonally, not much is on the horizon, although early March and mid-March does generally tend to show some strength. So again, we may get a bounce from here and bounce around, move sideways for a little bit before we move down, but we do think a move down is probably inevitable, at least to test the 737 level. Anyway, that's it for our forecast. If you'd like to, we had a pretty good month this month. We took 4 trades. 3 of them were winners. 1 was break even. So for the month, our account is up about 4.5%. If you want to get into some of our winning trades, please come visit us at www.optionspreadtrades.com. Thanks a lot for listening, and happy trading.